Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good afternoon, my name is Bonolo Monakedi, the founder of Entlekiddies Natural Salon and also Entlekiddies Natural Products. An inspiration behind our story, it was when I gave birth to my daughter. I was walking around in our township area looking for the service, the salon that can help us so that we can accommodate my daughter. I walked around, I couldn't find that service. I used to travel miles away to get such service. On my way back, I told myself, let me go and be a solution to my community. That's when came a birth of Entlekiddies Natural Salon. When we started with Entlekiddies Natural Salon, we didn't have the product. I started to do research. I've learned, I researched and I went for training. Entlekiddies produce these amazing products which are made out of organic and natural ingredients only. We have 6 products on the market. We have your leave-in conditioner, we have shampoo, we have natural shea butter, we have hair oil growth and a detangler. You can simply find us on social media platform at Entlekiddies. Facebook is Entlekiddies, Instagram is Entlekiddies/products. You can also place an order via WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp 065-843-1913. The pitching experience today, it went amazing. The only thing that took my nerves away, it was time, because we have a very long story to tell. But nevertheless, I could say important information that was needed, I was able to talk about it. To the T family, Netbank family, I just want to say thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm still shaking, I don't know what to say, but all I'm saying is thank you for the opportunity. I didn't think it is possible. I came here, I'm still shocked now, but thank you for the opportunity you gave me. The mentorship, it's everything. I really needed. Our business, we are in the stage where we need mentorship. I cannot wait to get started and receive the help we're looking for. We came here seeking help and I'm living here proudly saying, hi, my name is Bonolo Monakedi. I am Township Entrepreneur.